Biopesticides, Harnessing Nature's Defenses Against Pests. Title: Biopesticides, Harnessing Nature's Defenses Against Pests. Introduction, 100 words. Biopesticides, derived from natural sources, are gaining popularity as a safer and sustainable alternative to traditional chemical pesticides. Pests, which include insects, weeds, and disease-causing microorganisms, have long plagued agricultural productivity and public health. Recognizing the detrimental impacts of chemical pesticides on the environment and human health, scientists and farmers are now turning to the power of nature's own defenses. In this article, we will explore the remarkable potential of biopesticides in controlling pests effectively, while minimizing harm to non-target organisms and the ecosystem. 1. Understanding biopesticides, 300 words. Biopesticides are plant protection products derived from microorganisms, plants, or naturally occurring substances. They are designed to target pests and interfere with their life cycles, feeding habits, or reproduction. Unlike chemical pesticides, biopesticides exhibit lower toxicity to humans, are readily biodegradable, and pose reduced risks to non-target organisms, including beneficial insects and animals. There are three main types of biopesticides. A. Microbial biopesticides. These include bacteria, fungi, viruses, and protozoa that are specifically designed to target pests. For instance, Bacillus thuringiensis, BT, a bacterial species, produce toxins that are lethal to certain insects, making it a popular choice for insect control. C. Biochemical pesticides. These are naturally occurring substances, including plant extracts, pheromones, and oils, that affect pest behavior or physiology. Neem oil, for example, disrupts insect feeding and growth, making it an effective botanical pesticide. 2. Advantages of biopesticides, 400 words. A. Environmental benefits. One of the key advantages of biopesticides is their eco-friendly nature. Unlike traditional chemical pesticides, biopesticides have minimal residual effects on the environment. They are less persistent, quickly degrade, and leave no harmful residues, reducing soil and water pollution. Moreover, they specifically target pests, minimizing harm to beneficial insects, birds, and animals, thus maintaining a balanced ecosystem. B. Human health benefits. Biopesticides offer significant health benefits to farmers, workers, and consumers. They possess lower toxicity levels, resulting in reduced risks of acute and chronic health impacts. Farmers using biopesticides don't need to wear extensive protective gear, as these products are generally safe for human contact. Furthermore, consumers benefit from reduced chemical residues in food, enhancing food safety. C. Resistance management. Pests often develop resistance to chemical pesticides over time. Biopesticides offer a promising solution by leveraging specific mechanisms that pests find difficult to develop resistance against. For instance, microbial biopesticides often target pests at various life stages, reducing the likelihood of resistance buildup. Rotating biopesticides in pest management practices helps maintain their efficacy and avoids pests developing resistance. D. Sustainable agriculture. Biopesticides align with the principles of sustainable agriculture, promoting long-term environmental, social, and economic sustainability. By harnessing nature's own defenses, farmers can reduce dependence on synthetic chemical pesticides and adopt holistic pest management strategies. This approach leads to improved soil health, minimized ecosystem disruptions, and enhance crop quality, ensuring sustainable practices for future generations. 3. Applications of biopesticides, 400 words. A. Crop protection. Biopesticides serve as effective tools for guarding crops against various pests, including insects, nematodes, and diseases. Microbial biopesticides, like Bt-based products, can control pests such as caterpillars, mosquitoes, and beetles. Furthermore, pips, such as Bt cotton, have been successfully used to combat the notorious bollworm infestation, reducing the need for chemical insecticides. Chemical pesticides are commonly used for integrated pest management, often in combination with other methods, to enhance crop protection. B. With their specific targeting and reduced risks, biopesticides offer effective and safer options for controlling disease-causing organisms. C. Urban and household applications. Biopesticides find useful applications in urban settings as well, where chemical pesticide use can pose additional risks. They are effective in controlling household pests like cockroaches, ants, and mosquitoes, providing a safe environment for families and pets without exposing them to harmful chemicals. Advantages of biopesticides, continued. E. Economic benefits. Biopesticides can also offer economic benefits to farmers and agricultural industries. While the initial costs of biopesticides may be higher than chemical pesticides, their long-term benefits outweigh. The investment. Biopesticides often have residual effects, providing extended protection and reducing the need for frequent applications. Additionally, biopesticides can contribute to improved yields and quality, leading to higher market value and profitability for farmers. F. Regulatory ease. The regulatory process for biopesticides is generally less complex compared to chemical pesticides. As biopesticides are derived from natural sources, they are often classified as minimum risk, RECWI. Shorter and simplified registration procedures. This streamlined process can benefit both manufacturers and farmers, allowing for faster market access and adoption of biopesticides. G. Synergy with other pest management practices. Biopesticides work well in combination with other pest management practices, such as cultural and physical control methods. By integrating biopesticides with practices such as crop rotation, trap crow, and physical barriers, farmers can develop comprehensive and sustainable pest management strategies. This synergy enhances the overall efficacy of pest control while reducing reliance on chemical pesticides. H. International market potential. Biopesticides have a growing market potential worldwide. With increasing concerns about the negative impacts of chemical pesticides, many countries are embracing biopesticides as a safer and sustainable alternative. As a result, the demand for biopesticides is rising, creating opportunities for manufacturers and exporters to expand their market reach. 4. Challenges and future directions, 300 words. While biopesticides offer numerous advantages, there are still challenges to overcome and areas for improvement in this field. Some of these challenges include: A. Limited efficacy spectrum.